prize package is coming along well. I hope you are all playing along, writing down the words that we are putting down in every video. The word that you will get for today, for the 14th, will actually go into the background video and not this video. So you're not going to get a word in this video. This is just a review of the prize package because I want you guys to know that it's worth helping me out with this. And truly, your support during this process is huge. It is very hard to be seen on YouTube. I am putting in a huge amount of work doing this, and YouTube doesn't pay us anything for this. So the only way that I'm actually going to start making any type of income from YouTube is if I get more subscribers. The only way I can get more subscribers is if you guys comment, like, share, subscribe, add to playlists. That is the only way that YouTube is going to get my name out there. So this is a subscriber drive contest. And anything that you can do to help that out is greatly appreciated. Truly, truly. My Patreons, you guys are phenomenal. As always, you are the ones who are supporting the channel. And everybody here should be thanking you guys, honestly, for it's the only way that I'm able to continue to do this, truly. So, thank you so much, everybody, for being here. I really do love our chance to connect, and I hope that you are all staying safe through these troubling times. And, I wish you all the love in the world. I truly do, and I hope you are healthy and safe. Well, today is April 14th. It's actually the 2nd for me, but oh, the hummingbirds are back. Sorry, squirrel. April 14th, so that means I've got a prize bag that I have put together. I don't really know what's in here because as I was cleaning out my studio, I just started throwing things into the bag. So we're going to kind of look at it. First, we got some stickers. I'm just destashing my stash. So here's some cool papers. There's some more cool papers. I mean, it's not like there's a ton left in here, but I do have a lot more scrapbook paper in here. So some nice stuff. This is stuff that I have used. In fact, I just used this one super recently. So this is stuff absolutely out of my working stash. Here's some old recipe cards, a file folder, nice thick heavy cardstock, some more ephemera, and some different napkins. We'll probably get some more of those put in there. Some little random bags. What do we got in here? Some more papers. Oh, look, I put in some of my postcards that I got from France. So some of them are written on. Now you can download these off of Etsy, but yeah, I'm putting in some of the postcards. These are all from 1900s, early 1900s. Cool stuff, huh? Those, I picked out a few for you. I'm like, oh, those are a treasure. This is just a calendar that was gifted to me, but it has some really pretty birds. I have 2 of these calendars, so I just thought you could easily cut out the birds or the flowers and use those for ephemera or backgrounds or whatever. Here's just kind of a funky little, you put your little goodies in it. I put in way too many of these little, I found these little note cards at the thrift store. The pictures come off super easily, so you could use these note cards. I put in probably too many of those in there. Oh, a brand new thing of Distress Oxide, an antique linen, never opened. Some of these guys, some of these guys. Some ribbons, some flashcards, cigar box, a really nice wooden cigar box. These are very nice to have. Some music sheets, some Stampington magazines. Oh, some little journals that you can easily cover over. Some journals that I've made, little note things that go right into your purse. What else do I have in here? Oh, some more blank envelopes. Some more different types. Oh, these are journals. These are little journal pages. Oh, here's another vintage postcard from France that came directly from Paris. So, what else is in here? Some more little paper stuff. Yeah. So far so good. This is quite the package. A little foamy brayer. I'm gonna have to probably stop adding little stuff to this, or this type of stuff, and you know, as we get towards the end of the month, I will be putting in one or two more special larger gifts. I have some beautiful jewelry that I have to decide which one to pick out to put into here for you. Safe. Okay, all right, that's enough blah blah blah. I'm gonna shut down this video, and then I'm gonna get right back to intros for doing the rest of this April project. It's crazy. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Be sure to leave a comment. Love you.